Welcome back to Wheel & Software walkthroughs and how-tos. Today we're going to talk about the Lightbar page. The Lightbar page is where you'll set up all the flash patterns for your Lightbar. There are two ways to bring in a Lightbar for programming. One is to import a .bxr file which you would export from our EP05 software. The other is to use the Design a Lightbar feature included with your Carbide software. Let's look at importing a Lightbar first. So I've already selected the Lightbar page and slide switch 1. Let's go ahead and click on Import Lightbar, and we'll locate the .bxr file we exported from WCAD5. Let's select that and click Open, and you'll see the Lightbar has been loaded for programming. Now let's go ahead and look at the second way to design a Lightbar. Let's go ahead and remove this Lightbar. We will get a warning that we're removing the Lightbar. Let's click Yes, and let's click on Design Lightbar. In the Design a Lightbar feature, there's a Lightbar type list, which lists all our WCAN Lightbars. It is important to know what Lightbar you are working with before selecting a Lightbar from this list. I will go ahead and select a Liberty 2 Duo 54-inch with Duo Traffic Advisor. Now we can select whether or not we have a Lightbar light sensor. We can change the colors so they match the Lightbar that we've ordered. Once we've made all our changes, we can go ahead and click Apply. Now our Lightbar has been loaded for programming. When using the Design a Lightbar feature, we show every lighthead available in the Lightbar. Here are your primary takedowns. In the center of the bar are your secondary takedowns, or if they were in the rear of the bar, they would be work lights. In the alley position, we also show you the warning lights. This is so you can program any configuration that we can ship from the factory. Now let's set up a flash pattern on the Lightbar. Here I've selected slide switch 1 to be the button that activates the flash pattern. We can select the lightheads one at a time by clicking on them, or we can hold down the left mouse button and use the drag select feature. I will select the entire Lightbar. With the Lightbar still selected, we can select a flash pattern from the flash pattern list. Here I've selected Action Flash, and we can see the Action Flash pattern symbol has been applied to each lighthead. You can see as my cursor hovers over a lighthead, we get a tooltip that pops open giving us information about that lighthead. Let's go ahead and click on the Simulate button. We'll see the Action Flash pattern is played in simultaneous mode. If we wanted the driver's side and the passenger sides to alternate with each other, we can use the Quick Alternate button. Now that I've clicked it, it has set the driver's side to phase 1, which is 0, and the passenger side to phase 2, which is 180 degrees. By clicking on Unsync, we set a delay on each lighthead, starting at the corners with a 0 millisecond delay, and working our way to the center of the Lightbar up to 40 milliseconds. This gives you the unique flash pattern. You can still also select a custom phase and a custom delay. To remove a flash pattern, we would click on the red X. This will remove the pattern. We can also use what we call bar patterns. If you select bar patterns, and all you need to do is select 2 of the corner lightheads, select the flash pattern from the list, I'll choose Ultra Scan, we'll see that the bar pattern has been set up on the entire front of the Lightbar. If I click Simulate, you will see what the bar pattern looks like. Please stay tuned for our next video where we talk about setting up your cruise lights. Thanks for watching.